Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is 1 and 2. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here let me show you how modulo is calculated. Modulo is nothing but the remainder of this. So 3 divided by 10 means 9. And we got the remainder 1 here. So that's why we got 1 here. This is pretty easy. But the only confusing part is why we got minus 2 here. Well, actually Python calculates this using this formula. R is equal to A minus N into A floor division N. And this is A mod N. This is the formula. So firstly, minus 10 mod 3 or minus 3.33. So the floor of minus 3.33 is minus 4. So here we got minus 4. So we have minus 4 here. This is the format of this minus 10, and this is 3. N is 3 here and A is minus 10. Now we only need to solve this part. Minus 10, 3 into minus 4, which is minus 12. And this will give you 2. And that's why we got 2 here.